Hello, I'm Gary Kent with GeoLearn, and this is course number 6 in the series on the 2021 ALTA NSPS Land Title Survey Standards. In this course, we are going to cover Section 7 on certifications and Section 8 on the deliverables. To make it easier for you all who are watching this, we have kept the content, being the slides and the lectures, from 2016 that are still applicable, but when you see a slide that is dark blue and has yellow text, you'll know that this is new content or modified content that we're covering based on the changes for 2021. Let's start off with Section 7, and the requirement in Section 7 is the same as it was for 2011. Only the unaltered certificate that's contained in the standards in Section 7 is allowed on the face of a land title survey. There is only one exception to that, and that is, in referring back to Section 3B of the standards, if there is a jurisdiction that requires certain certification language, then the surveyor obviously is going to have to comply with that. These are a national standard. They're adopted by the American Land Title Association and the National Society of Professional Surveyors, but they do not overcome law, which is what most survey standards, the states that have them, they have either statutory law or administrative law requirements, and there are a number of states that have certain wording that surveyors have to put in certificates. Now, exactly how a surveyor deals with that can be pretty much one of two ways. They can either add the additional certification wording on to the bottom or the top, for that matter, of the ALTA and NSPS certification, or they could simply do the ALTA NSPS certification and have a second certificate that meets the requirements of their jurisdiction. Whichever suits their fancy should work just fine. The key point, however, is that the wording in the certification of Section 7 cannot be altered, and you cannot put another certificate on there. Most private lenders understood this fairly quickly. After the 2011 standards were adopted, these requests for additional certifications or lender certificates that they wanted on the face of the survey, those went away fairly quickly. I have seen, I think, one private lender in the last year or so that insisted on wanting their own certificate on the survey, but that should be a pretty simple response to the surveyor, or from the surveyor, and that is that it's simply not allowed.